back cracking, spine tingling. Ah, that one's. Alright, we're going for round 2 now, heavy. We're going for the nose. Wow, I've never had this before. What did I do to you? We've got a connection. Oh, he's giving. Woo! Namaste. Welcome everyone to a new day. Someone needs a shave, and that someone is me. I'm looking a bit groggy, a bit minging. We're in the wonderful city of Kathmandu, and I've been doing a bit of research. I found my barber. He's a local street barber on the road. I can see him now, and I've heard he can also give you a massage. So we'll hopefully have one of those too, get a little tickle and indulge in the day. And here he is. Hello. Hello sir, can we have a shave?
No.
Yes? No. A little shave?
Namaste.
Namaste? And maybe a head massage? Is that okay? What's your name?
Dougindra.
Dougindra?
Dougindra.
Mera naam Connor. Nice to meet you. I like your design work on the wall. So we're here. It's all worked out pretty well. We've heard rumours of you. You don't speak much English. English?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
Oh, he does? Perfect. I'm going to put my bags down. I've learnt a little bit of Nepali. Tapalai betera kushilagyo. Nice to meet you. I sit here. This is a perfect street shave. We've got the wonderful mirror. Hindu gods. That's Ganesh, I believe. Ganesh? Ganesh?
Ganesh.
And which one's this one?
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi?
Vaisha Barsane.
Ah.
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi?
Ji.
Lakshmi is the other one.
Oh, Shiv.
That's the other one. Which one is that one? Oh.
Yes.
Lakshmi. Okay, so you've got beautiful Hindu gods, goddesses as well, and this one here. Do you work here every day?
Yes.
5 days a week?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So you've got the mirror here. Is this your bag of goodies that you've got all of your equipment in? Very good. All right, I'll let you get on with your work, but you've got wonderful flowers and everything everywhere, nicely laid out, and we're on the side of actually more of a main road than I anticipated. Okay. What's your name again?
Naam.
My name, Meranam Connor.
Yes.
Meranam?
Dougindra.
Dougindra.
Yes.
Doug, can I call you Doug? Doug. Doug. Dougindra, Doug. Dougindra, Doug. Okay. Dougindra, Doug. So we've got our flannel on, which has not been put around me completely, but
Yes.
you got a new clean razor.
Yes.
Very good. Dougindra, do you have many foreign customers? I think you do, don't you?
Yes.
Yes. How many? 200 a day? Not that much. Hopefully, we'll bring you more business. It's really cool though. We're literally at the side of a street. Look, busy street over here, and he's actually got a really nice mirror, and so I can see all the progress. So I would like here. See, there is a strip. Yeah, so a bit of thickness taken out, not gone. Trim here, trim. So keep the line here.
Yes.
You see that?
Yes.
You understand? And then get all to about here.
Yes.
Gone. Okay, just gone. And do you do a massage? I'll pay you good, my sir. Okay? You're squirting something on me. It looks like shampoo or some sort of lotion. This is falling off. Oh. Okay. It smells good. Oh yeah. Last time I had a shave,
Yes.
it was in Pakistan.
Pakistan.
I was in Pakistan, yeah. I shaved in Karachi, you know? You not celebrating today? Today is Jai Jatra.
Jai Jatra.
Today, yeah.
Yes.
You celebrate? Me and you?
Yes.
We can, you know, like Jai Jatra, the dance. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, when I was a kid, I was the worst customer in the world when I had my hair cut. Okay, you got the razor. I like your rings. That's it, get it all off. old are you?
You?
How old are you? You are 25? You're 25? There we go. You have family?
Yes.
Son? Daughter? How many? One son? You like saying yes a lot, don't you? Do you drink beer? You drink beer? Alcohol? No beer for you. I was going to offer you, we could drink maybe. We can at least sip on a can of Pepsi together, yeah? That's it, very good. We have a dig. Ah, nice. You touched your head after. Is that a sign of respect? Hindu? You're Hindu?
Yes.
You should be out dancing today.
Yes.
But you're not. You're with me. Okay. I like your rings though. See mine? I have little rings. Just here. On my hand. They're nice. But you're a focus man, and I'm waffling a bit. Like I do in all these vlogs, especially the hair cutting ones. Have you visited Pakistan?
Nepal.
Just Nepal?
Yeah.
Just Nepal.
Yes.
Pokhara? You've been to Pokhara? You've been there? Chitwan National Park?
Yes.
There are animals there. You know, elephants.
Paswati Gara.
Elephant God? That's
Yes.
what's up here?
Yes.
You mean the elephant God?
Yes.
Like, elephants. It feels nice. I like getting my hair cut. It's a good feeling. Oh yeah, get in there, mate. Get stuck in. How many customers do you have a day? Maybe.
Yes.
I'm gonna decide for you. I think you get like 20 maybe?
Yes.
Maybe 20.
Paswati घुमा दे ले चल के.
Yeah?
Yes.
Basmati?
हाँ.
What does that mean?
आज संगे जाएंगे.
Sean is angry?
Yes.
Ah. Is that good?
Good.
Good. Well, hope if it's as good as your shave and your head massage,
Yes.
I'm gonna be a happy man, my friend.
Yes.
Good dinger, man. You got it, yeah. He's put on some sort of cream to shave off, and he's going around. He's straightening up my beard now, and then I assume after that he'll be actually snipping into the main beard, the strip which I've explained to him, through the middle, and then taking out the bush after. Oh, he's already getting onto it. Right up. Going from the nose. I've never had that before. Wow, it's going right up my snippers. My snippers? That doesn't make sense. It's going right up my nose with the snippers. Oh. Good job. You're doing a good job, man. I like it. We're having a laugh. Oh, okay. Oh wait, not my hair though. Oh, I shaved. Oh. I don't know what he's doing right now. Oh, there's the head massage. I do need him to do this a bit more though, because I need this. Oh, okay. Go on. Get stuck in, lad. Oh yeah. Oh. 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 Wow. Oh. 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 Oh yes, brother, keep doing it, man. Dougindra. Dougindra. Oh yeah. Oh, I've had a bit similar in Pakistan, yeah. Yours is good though. Yeah. Not that the other one. Oh, fuck. Jesus. You're knocking my brain out of its socket, mate. Yep, yeah, my brain's still there. Ooh. Oh yeah, go on, Dougindra. Go on. That's good, it's good. Oh, keep going. Oh, right. Oh. You give me a good head massage, you keep going. Oh. Oh, you're doing something, and then you stop. What is it that you're doing? You're like getting the juices in my brain moving round. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this. Look at the camera, brother. Look at that. That's very good, isn't it? Oh. Wow, I've never had this before in my life. A head massage. This is. What's that clang? Is that your rings? Ow. Yes. Yeah, I like it. Don't stop. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, make sure you don't rip them off though. My ears are already a bit floppy. Holy sh! Oh no, what's going to happen here? Oh, I've not had this before. Oh. I've seen this before. I've never had one like this before. I've seen it on other people's YouTube videos where they go pretty crazy on your arms and hands. You're going for the bone? That's it. Oh, oh, okay. Oh, Dougindra, you're getting my fingers. Yes. You're popping them. I thought we were friends. Oh, are you making this up? Or are you? Oh, whoa, whoa. What are you doing? Oh, what's going on? What's going on? Oh! Alright, Dougindra, I'm trusting my life with you right now. I don't want to be in a wheelchair. Yes. Because I got to travel back to England and do work. Oh, Jesus, you're putting me in like a fireman, not a fireman, it's like a deadlock. Like, it's not WWE wrestling right now. Oh, he's doing the back of. Oh, wow. It's pinching my back. Thank you. Oh, go on. Give me, Dougindra. I feel like we're like best mates right now. Give it, yeah, that's good. That's actually good. Yeah, good. Go on. Oh, careful. I feel like the moment you twist it. Alright. Okay. He's popping up this. Oh, yes. How old are you, Dougindra? You're a man of few words, but you're wise with whatever it is that you know. You're wise. Ooh. Ah, ooh. You got a click then. Ah, that one's weird. Do that one again. Do that one again and again. Because I've got something wrong with it. Right. Because there's something wrong with that one. Yeah. Ah, I've had it wrong for years. Ah. Ooh, Dougindra. You also need to. Oh, all right. We're going for the big boy. Oh, we're going to takedown. Oh. Dougindra versus K-Wow. Oh God, you motherfucker! What did I do to you? Dougindra, what are you doing?
Is he done?
No, I need hair. I need a little bit more hair. Yeah. Is that okay? Yes. Oh my God, you did. Oh, Dougindra. Jesus Christ. I think I feel better. Was that in the middle? We're going to part 2, yeah? Yeah, Dougindra, you're I have to say, man, I like you. I do like you. For all the wrong reasons. You brutally attacked me in the most exciting way. Ah, yeah. It just goes to show, Dougindra, you don't need like to be able to understand each other to have a good time. Yeah. Oh, and also Dougindra, see here, this to about there. Is that okay? Thank you, brother. All right. I'm not sure if you made me better or worse with my back. But I have to say, that was an experience and a half. So Dougindra gonna make this go higher up here. I'm trimming it shorter. Do you take this home each day and then you put back up inside there? Ah, so all of your equipment, obviously your wonderful bag here with all the ingredients, is stored in there and then you bring it out. What time do you start work? No, you don't start. I get it. You never end. That's what you mean. You don't finish work. Clearly that's not what he means, but okay. My lord. It's getting there. Fucking good. You want me to open? Oh. Can I close it? No. Okay. How long have you been doing this for? How many years? This haircut, how many years? 10 years? Shy 10 years. I feel like I know you very well for some reason. I know the answer to everything. Ah, yes, you're getting it. Looking good. It's nearly there. It's getting there. What's that? Cream. Cream.
Yeah.
To make it soft. Oh. Oh, okay. Alright, we're going for round 2 now, baby. Oh. What do you call this massage? You have a name for it? The gudung. Is it gudung? Guding. I'm really bad with names, remembering. It's Guding. Oh, it's Guding's massage. That's nice. You're sort of really attacking the bones. You want me to shut up. Oh. Oh, the eyebrows, I like that. Oh, we're getting in a... Whoa. It's actually quite nice. This part is... You're quite calm. With your pressures, the pressure is good. Oh no, not my neck. That's gonna freak me out. I can't have my neck done. How do you do the neck? How do you do it?
Yeah.
How do you do it? Well, how are you gonna get it done?
No. Yeah.
No, my neck's not scary. Is that from in here? What's in here? Is that your sort of cream-based products?
Yes.
Cream, correct? Yes and you just said yes and no.
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 Oh God, this is hard to work out. Right. Well, that smells really good. But the stings. So we've got some aftershave on me now. Oh, that's nice. Oh. 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 Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh, whip me. Whip me. Mighty whipper. Thank you very much. I think I'm done. Let's just assess the damage. Trimmed down quite nicely, I think so, yeah. Thank you. Perfect. I will pay you. Thank you very much, sir. I would have liked to have asked you more questions, but there is the language barrier between us, unfortunately. I'd like to know how old you are and if you have family and kids, but we've struggled with that. How much? How much for the shave and massage? You give me a good price. Good price. Katiboyo. Katiboyo. I don't know what that means.
I think it means as you wish.
As you wish.
Yeah.
What would you normally price for most people? For local, what would it be? Would it be 300 for local? 300. About 300.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'll shake your hand and I'll pay you. Anyway, 1 second. Oh. He's come back for me while I'm trying to pay. This is an upsell if I ever saw one. Look at that. A bit more. You want me to sit down? I've never had this before. I'm about to pay. A good one comes back to me. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Is there anything else? Done? Thank you. Well, you've done the finishing touches and I have to say, I like that. It's not as much as of what I've seen before, but that's still hopefully good, yeah? Is that okay? Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Oh, that was so nice. Thank you, brother. Have a good day. That actually made me feel so much better as well. Thank you. Dig it, handshake. We'll go for this, and then we go in. Oh, thank you. Oh, another one.
Oh, another side.
Yes, dig it, man. You're a sick guy. Gudung. Yes. What does that mean? What does that mean? I will come back again.
Yes.
I will come back, and next time, 5,000. Next time. Okay. See you. Thank you, brother. That was amazing. Okay. Thank you, brother. That was so nice. So we got a wonderful little hug from him, and I gave him 3,000, which I don't know exactly how much it was meant to be for the local price, but I said 300 to suggest that because I think that would be about the right price. But he was so happy giving him 3,000. But honestly, the back part was crazy. Getting my back clicked in both different places on my shoulders. I've never had that before. I've had one in Pakistan, but it was more just, it was kept to the head area. So that was really cool. But look where we are. We're on the side of the street with traffic going by in the middle of Kathmandu. Really, really cool. And it was really nice to, it was like a heartwarming hug. And he did sort of, even though it was in his own language, I got the gist of when I asked for the price, it was as you wish. So I think he's done a pretty good job, pretty decent, nicely shaved hair and quite clean. It's actually, he's gone a bit different to the other barbers I've had before, particularly the ones I've had while I've been traveling. It's gone quite low here and then up there, like almost vertical up, whereas I think it is more of a slant here, but I like it. He swapped it up. What's your name?
Anmol.
Omul. Your name?
Divo's sister. Divo's sister.
Divo's sister?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Oh, what are you doing? Are you cycling around? Getting food?
Yeah.
What's this?
It's called the Sevali.
Ah, it's like sauce.
Yeah.
Have you ever been to this barber before? No, you've never been. It's my first time. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Look good? Do you like it? Good?
Yes.
Ah, good. Thank you. Well, hopefully you guys have a good day. Are you watching the show? This is my friend. He doesn't really, my friend has no beard, so he's just trimming a few bum fluff on his chin. So He's just shaving it. Oh, he's going for his nose now as well. Nose hairs. You lads don't need it yet because you won't have facial hair. How old are you? 13?
No, 14.
14. You'll get facial hair soon. Maybe 2 years. Maybe 3. You'll have a big beard. How old are you? 12?
15.
You're 15?
Nah, just joking.
He's joking. Yeah, you're joking with me.
14.
14. You have school around here?
No, at the
Is it near here?
yeah, near.
What's it called?
Boda.
Moda.
Yeah.
Moda.
No,
Boda.
Yeah.
Boda. It's called Boda School. Okay. And who's the boss out of you two? Who's boss? Good answer. Good answer. No one's boss. Oh, you said him. I thought you said none. Oh, nice to meet you guys. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I'm gonna sit over here. I'm gonna wait. Unless you wanna, I'll get on the back of your bike and we'll have a cycle. I'm only joking. I'm not gonna do that. I'm twice your weight. I like your flip-flops. Commando, or is it army paint? Yeah. I'm not sure as well, but I've noticed a few people on bikes like here and there. I don't know if they're queuing up for this, for obviously our shave or not. But these lads are just out to play with me. It's all good. You just hanging about now?
Yeah.
Yeah? Tabla batera kushi lagyo. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
मलाई पनि खुसी लाग्यो भन न.
Sansei Honunza. Sansei Honunza. Hello, 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 hello. Sansei Honunza. Nice to meet you. Oh, that's like, how are you? Yeah. I only know a little bit of Nepali. I was in the Philippines for 6 weeks, and then after Philippines, I went to Pakistan. I visited Pakistan for 4 weeks, and I've now been in Nepal for 12 days, and then I will stay here for another 3 weeks. We will see Pokhara.
And then where do you go?
I will go back to UK. I'm from England, but then I come back out with my girlfriend in January, late January. My girlfriend, yes. But nice to meet you guys. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Have a good day. I'm gonna sit down. I'll see you guys later. Well, that was fun. A nice little group of lads, or 2 lads, just stopping by to say hello.
My name is Rahul Mandal. Rahul Mandal.
Rahul Madul.
Hi.
Rahul, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Tapala batera kushi lagyo.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, yeah. We're getting our wonderful haircuts by Gudung. I think it's Gudung. I'm not sure if I've got his name. We're from England.
Okay. Where?
England, UK, United Kingdom.
United Kingdom.
Are you waiting for your haircut? No. You've come to watch the show.
Yeah.
Gudung, Gudung, I need you to crack it one more time. The back. Just one crack. One crack. Just one crack. Okay, one crack.
Journey of Josh.
Your back.
Journey of Josh.
I need my
Journey
back feels
of
like it's got
Josh.
cracked.
Josh.
1 second, just quickly.
Yes.
Just
Give me
quickly.
an idea.
I'm going for one last crack here
Yeah.
because I feel like my back has been cracked out of place. It needs to be cracked in place. It feels a bit sore. Go on,
Are you
Gudung.
getting funny?
Go on.
It's very good. It's very funny.
Enjoyable?
Yeah.
मजा भी तो है क्या?
Oh, he's really going near my crotch here.
He is working from 15 years.
15 years.
Yeah. He's expensive.
What do you do?
Oh, wow.
Expensive.
Okay, right, so you're getting my belly, your feet. Oh, okay, here we go. This is my back, yeah. He's tickling my belly.
What do you do? I do.
You could, I'll go on Instagram, it's easier.
Instagram
that's
I have
really
not
good.
yet.
That feels good.
But
Oh,
after
okay.
some,
That's nice.
So
That's
Josh.
ticklish.
yeah.
Oh, wow, you got my skin then, baby.
J.
Gudung,
Spelling please. Meaning.
Huh?
this is nothing
Meaning
like I've had
meaning.
before.
Yeah.
He's rubbing both my
This is
back
my name.
and my
Your name.
titties.
My name.
Wow, yeah,
Yeah,
that's
J.
I feel it there, Gudung.
DRY.
J.
Oh,
Please right.
I will.
After some time.
Okay.
oh, yeah. Oh, Gudung's squeezing me. It's a bit. Oh yeah, go on.
Can you ask his age?
His
His
I
age.
mean,
40 years.
40 years.
Hi. Yes.
Ah, okay.
Gudung.
So he's
hugging
40
me.
years old apparently, and you said he's got 15 years of experience.
Ow.
30 years of
Oh,
experience.
go on.
Wow.
Go on. I'm going up. Woo! It's a bit sore in the middle, Gudung. You can get it out and get the pain out. Get the pain out. So I've gone back for another round. Oh, because
When
my
will you
back's a
watch
bit sore.
this video?
Sorry?
Go on,
Dhanyabad.
धन्यवाद. Did you understand? धन्यवाद.
I know.
Thank you so much.
Tora Nepali.
Yeah.
Tora.
Thank you so much. We said. Oh, thank you so much.
The middle, that's good. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Welcome,
Thank you, brother.
welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, mate. Thank you.
Yes,
I
yes.
actually feels a bit better now, surprisingly.
your camera? Yeah,
Even though I
that's
feel like you didn't target my back in the place I needed it,
Right.
it's actually gone the pain. Fantastic.
me?
We've got a connection. Oh, he's giving. Woo! Have a good day. Have a good day, Gudung. Enjoy. Spend time with your family. Hopefully, the money helps towards
yeah.
seeing his family. Can you say?
Okay, say.
Can you say?
Yes, I can say. It's the family second level like some share yellow guys
Huh? Yes.
This is your ID.
Thank
Can
you,
I
brother.
get this video here?
Enjoy. See you later,
Yes.
brother. So, that was, as I said just before, beautiful, sensational, back cracking, spine tingling, and hair trimmingly beautiful. I went back for a little extra massage because I think he cracked one of my vertebrae out of position or something. But he's put it back in now, I think, so I feel a little bit better. Gudung, he had a nice soul. Really nice soul, nice guy, beautiful experience. The cut's been done pretty well, I think. The back cracking, like I said, was brilliant. Yeah, stay tuned for the next video. And hopefully you've had a barrel of laughs with my lack of communication skills with a Nepali man such as Gudung himself. So I'll catch you with that waffling in the next one. I'll see you all later.